Uh, Welcome everyone. This will be our first video on Bank Nifty strategy. So this will be a monthly strategy based on monthly expiries. So before trading, taking any trade in Bank Nifty, there's one thing you should know that Bank Nifty is highly volatile. Highly volatile in the sense that it can move up to 800, 900 points in one day. And we have seen that happen 2 days in a row in last 1 week itself. So you have to be very, very careful while trading in Bank Nifty. Uh, the upside of trading in Bank Nifty is for the same capital deployed, you will get a higher return in Bank Nifty as compared to Nifty index. So having said that, let's jump into our strategy. I've already made this strategy for you and I've named it Nifty 30th October. As you can see, in this strategy, we are just selling everything. I mean, we are not buyers. So you have this minus sign on every position, and this 50 represents two lots. So for every leg, we have sold two lots. This strategy basically comprises of 5 triangles. So why 5 triangles? Why not 6? Why not 7? You can vary that based upon your capital and your risk-taking capacity. You move this either closer, or you can move them even further apart if you're feeling, very confident that it will be within a certain range, or if you feel that it will give a very large move, you'll have to spread the strikes even more apart. So the triangles that we've taken in this strategy are for the call sides. We have sold 39,600, 39,700, 39,800, 39,900, and 40,000. So this is half of the strategy. And to complete the strategy, we have to do the same on put side as well. So for the put side, we'll be selling 35,300, 35,200, 35,100, and 35,500, also 34,900. But in our strategy, I have not sold 34,900. Instead, I've taken one more position in 35,100. Okay, so let's move on to our payoff graph. So for this strategy, the complete margin required is approximately 40 lakhs. If you replace two lots by one lot, it will come up to close to like 7 to 8 lakhs. And for this, we are receiving a maximum credit 1,10,000. So which is approximately 8% of the complete margin deployed. The probability of profit is 75%, which is quite safe. And as again, this is an undefined risk strategy. So undefined strategy is one like on closing crosses either above or below your break evens, it will give you a loss. So how much of the asset, that will depend on how far the strike has moved from your positions. If it's closer, then the loss will be little, and if it moves much farther, then losses will be very wide. So this is your break-even graph. As long as the strike remains between 34,700 and 40,100, you will be profitable. You will get to keep all the premium that you've received. You'll have to, and when the underlying reaches one of your sides, that is it, if it reaches on the put side, you'll have to adjust the call side, and if it starts moving towards the call side, you'll have to adjust your put side. For adjustments, I'll come up with a video mostly on next week, or maybe in 10 to 12 days. So this is overall strategy. Comfortable with this itself. So as always, please subscribe to our channel, and please share this video to anybody who likes to experiment and wants to understand more about options. So thank you.